Hey guys, I want to quickly show you how to use the flow within MyTradingBuddy. So first, create a chat, tag your trading plan, tag the thing that you're planning on trading. So in this case, I'll be doing NASDAQ futures. I'm going to start a flow like this. And every single day before you start to trade, I recommend to do this. So I'm going to do 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, one day. And then I'm going to choose one of the analysis tools, or you can do a custom analysis. So if you have a custom configuration, this is when the AI takes screenshots of the charts and figure out what's going on. I'm going to drop the liquidity map, support resistance, core levels, AI consensus, and push start. Now, the AI agent will begin to do its work. You don't have to have TradingView open like this, but I do recommend to do it just because you can double confirm you have a good screenshot going. And then the process will go, it's going to take a 15-minute screenshot. The AI agent will auto change to 30-minute, take a screenshot there, auto change to 1 hour or 4 hour, and then 1 day. And then I want to show you, it's going to draw up everything you need to see as a trader. And it's really going to enhance your abilities as a trader and let you be more accurate. And there's a couple other things I'll show you in a moment so that you can make sure you're following your trading plan every single day. One moment is probably going to take another minute. So it's continuing on. And one thing I just wanted to note is that after 3 AI image analysis, it will auto-generate core levels, which is this right here. But it's going to auto-draw this in a moment, so I'll tell you in a moment. So now it's doing the last one, 1 day. And so I do recommend to get good screenshots just so potentially you can get better data. So that's the one thing I do recommend to be careful. That's why you should open it up and make sure you get good screenshots because the AI agent is just going to auto switch based on your current layout. Okay, so it will automatically switch back to your default time frame, and now is going to begin the drawing stage. So I'm just going to hide this Fibonacci real quick so you can see. And then what you're going to see is that the AI agent is now taking all that data that it captured, all the understanding, everything. It's first going to draw your playbook, and your playbooks are in the settings of the Chrome extension and also in our dashboard. Then it's going to draw the liquidity map, the core levels, anything that is super important. So there we go now. That is pretty much, it'll probably take you 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how many screenshots. And there we go, we have our whole setup right here. It's auto drawing the AI consensus, so pretty much enter here or enter here. Once it hits this liquidity and fair value gaps and stuff like that. And now I want to show you kind of the final piece, which is I'll do a demo just for purposes of this. If you do trade on TradingView or TopStep, we can do both of this. But what you can do, so you don't and not enter in like where your trading plan says to enter in or anything like that, you can push a line. Now the AI agent is taking all this data, taking your trading plan, taking how much account capital you have, what information you have, and it's going to structure that in properly. So here we go. We have pretty much our order. We have a stop loss there, way up at 311. We have our entry right here, which would match my my trading plan, and the take profit all the way back down there to where this bullish order block top of it hits, and this sell side liquidity hits. Now you can do other interesting stuff. So obviously, if you think it's going to come back and like maybe it could even like come around here, but you don't know, it could tap this order block and just go, or it can just go right now. It depends on the situation. We still have 30 minutes till London. You can like obviously tranche them in. So I can say, okay, tranche in 3 more orders from 29.20 all the way up to the top of that order block and entry high. The AI agent will then be able to do like stuff like this, which really comes in helpful when one, say you're doing micro NASDAQ, so you have more a capital, and two, like you're not really exactly sure what area and how long it could stay in there for. So right now we can tranche them all in, and then we'll probably get an average right there, and that would probably be a pretty good entry for a short play. And then stop loss way back up there. Obviously, if it goes back up here and we still see buying, could maybe switch game plans. But right now, this is what we got. And you can see here, it drew every single thing that you would need as a trader. You can obviously turn off the indicators, stuff like that. And now you can really understand what is going on within your charts. You have all liquidity, you have all order blocks, you have all the core levels drawn. And from there, you can obviously see how the price reacts at certain levels and do things like that. So hopefully that made sense. There's more functionalities you can do. Like if you want to go into a trade, you can always do the checklist right here. You don't have to use the AI to place your trade. If you can place it yourself and information like that, enter trade mode. Now you're in trade mode, AI knows that. And you can always remove lines. So if like if this is too hectic for you, you can come in here now and like say you don't want to see like certain things like support and resistance. You can clear all support and resistance. You can clear liquidity map as well. It's just information like that. You can clear order blocks. You can clear custom ones. So let's clear the custom ones, for example. And there we go. We have a little cleaner chart. And then if you clear like all the liquidity map, okay, there we go. Now we just have like the fair value gaps and stuff like that. And then if you ever want to add them back in, you can come in here, draw this on the chart like that. And there you go. There was the liquidity map. So yeah, all this is ready to go. You just got to create a chat, start flow. And there's some more improvements like the lines and stuff that will come with our 40th patch of the Chrome extension.